Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is the Hazardous Weather Lab Science Skills Station that's up here. And I'm going to kind of walk through this and see if I can help you guys kind of work through this because it's involved. So it talks about the overview of hazardous weather. We're going to be using maps and graphs to understand them better. And then we get into activity 1. Let me see if it'll let me. Okay. In this activity, you will study hurricanes, and it talks about what a hurricane, typhoon, and cyclone are. And then here's the data for total number of hurricanes by month. So let me keep going. And we are going to make a graph. Now, I've done this with one other class, and I love this because it's quite easy to make a graph. So let me show you what that looks like. You're going to click on this. It says control click, or I've linked it in the assignment. So let me control click on this top one. Is it going to let me go? And this walks you through doing a graph. Okay. So let me kind of show you. I'm going to kind of try and walk you through it myself because there are some questions that I wish we could talk about face to face, but anyway, let's do this. Uh-oh, where's the sound? Oh, sound is off.
For this specific example, we are creating a single line graph that shows the number of bubbles produced by a water plant per minute at different depths in a body of water. In this particular assignment, we were providing
Okay, you are not going to be doing this on paper. I really want you to work through this digitally because it's an excellent skill to have. And the class I've done this with has actually done it twice. And it just, if you know how to put a graph into PowerPoint, it's just one of those skills that you can use later on in life. So let's keep going.
on this template. However, we are going to use Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Excel to create a digital drawing from this line. On the blank slide,
Hold up, let me put a blank slide in. Okay, so right here we need a blank slide. Blank, okay. Okay, so she's gonna go to the blank slide. Let me go back.
Insert, then select chart, and I'm going down to scatter.
Chart, scatter. Move line. Okay, let's see if we can do that. So I'm in the blank slide. So this is the one that tells you where to get to the video, and then I'm in the blank slide. I'm going to insert chart, and I want scatter. Here's XY scatter, and I want the smooth. Yeah, scatter with smooth lines and markers. That's what I want. And then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so this comes up. So what we're going to do is our X values are our months. Okay, and then our Y values are going to be, let's see. I got to get to the data. Total number of hurricanes. So total, okay, here, there we go. Total number of hurricanes. Lovely. So this is going to be January, February, and you'll have to type this in. March, April. Can we make this bigger? Of course we can. May, June, July, August, September, October. I'm sorry, I know this is super boring. I just want to show you how this works. November, December. Okay. And then over here, I don't know why it populates with random numbers, but I'm looking at the numbers here and it says I'm going to be putting these numbers in. So total number of hurricanes, I have 201, 201, 04, and then I can't read that number, 04. And then in June, is it 33? Good gravy. Okay, so I'm going to click on this and see if it'll let me look at it. And we'll scroll this down in the background. It is 33. Okay. 33. And then I'm looking at the numbers down here. So 55. Good gravy. 245. Are you serious right now? 404. 205. Well, you can certainly tell when 59 and 6. Okay, so let's go back down to our graph. And what I'm going to do is this is already here. So I'm going to exit out of this. And this is what the graph looks like. It looks great. But I want to label my axes. So if I click on this and I go to something, chart elements. Oh, wait, that's not it. Chart design, my bad, up here, chart design. Add a chart element, axes title, primary horizontal. So this is months. Then I'm going to add a chart element, primary vertical, and this is number of hurricanes. And this, let's see what this should be called. Let's see. Per month, 1851 to 2017. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So this is what your graph, this should be smaller, if at all possible. Can we make that smaller? Yeah. Yay. Okay. Whatevs. It's whatevs. Can I click on, oh. There we go. That's pretty. So that makes the graph and it's super quick. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end the video here and I'll do the rest of the video about the rest of it, but I really just wanted to get that graph in for you. And if you have any questions on the graph, let me know.